Okay, Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is a short video about lesson 15.1. As you know that I already made one video about this, but there I couldn't explain one example, so I'm going to explain that example here. And this example is about coterminal angle. I already give you the concept of coterminal angle in last video, but how will be the question here about coterminal? For example, if they give you two angles like 105 degree and negative 185 degree, and they are asking you to check these two angles are coterminal or not. So how we will check? From these two angles you will select any one angle. For example, I am taking 105, and with this angle you have to do the process of coterminal angle, any plus 360 degree and 105 minus 360 degree, and you will check the answer. 105 plus 360 mara how much? You can see 105 plus 360 is 465, and 105 minus 360, okay, negative 255. And you will check if your any answer is like your second angle which you did not select it, then it's mean they are coterminal. But you can see here our both answers are different from this angle, the angle which I did not choose it, right? Our both angles are different from this. So it's mean these two angles are not coterminal angle. How I can check that two angles are coterminal? We will select any one angle from the given two angles, and you will do plus 360 minus 360, and then you will compare your answers with the second angle. If any of one angle, one answer from these two is same like your second angle, then it's mean they are coterminal. But here my both answers are different from this. It's mean they are not coterminal. For example, if they give you the angle as a radian, for example, pi upon 6 and 13 pi upon 6, and they are asking you these two angles are coterminal or no. So what we will do? You will choose any one angle, pi upon 6, and you will do plus 360 minus 360. But now here they give you the angle as a radian, as a pi. So you should write 360 as a pi. And as a pi, 360 is 2 pi. 360 is equal to 2 pi. So here instead of 360 you will write 2 pi plus 2 pi and minus 2 pi. And you will give to the calculator. But the calculator should be in radian. Now how to put calculator in radian? Can you show us, Mahara? Shift and mode, and then you have a angle, and then because we need radian, so 2. And now give to the calculator pi upon 6 plus 2 pi equal 1. Now look here, it's 13 pi upon 6. It's 13 pi or 13 upon 6 pi, right? Now give this to the calculator. And this is equal to negative 11 upon 6 pi. Now to compare your answer, that your any answer is same like your second angle or no. Yes, this answer, my first one with plus, is giving me the same answer like my second angle. So in this case, yes, they are coterminal angle. So what is the concept? If they give you two angles and the given angles can be as a degree, it can be as a radian, and they are asking you to check they are coterminal or no. So what you have to do, you will choose any one angle and you will do plus 360 and minus 360. If your any answer is same like your this answer, the second one, then it's mean they are coterminal. But if they are both are different from your second angle, it's mean that they are not coterminal. With the degree you have to do plus 360 minus 360. As a radian you should do plus 2 pi minus 2 pi.